In this video, I'm going to share with you some simple advice on how to write a data science resume. The main piece of advice that I have for you as you're looking to write your data science resume is that you want to find words and phrases that are taken directly from the job description, and you want to place those very same words and phrases, word for word, character for character, in your resume and in your cover letter. For example, on the screen here, I have several phrases that were taken directly from a job description that for many data science candidates, we could place these phrases directly into the resume. Here's why that is important. As many as 99% of Fortune 500 companies use some form of ATS. Now, what's an ATS? ATS is an applicant tracking system, which in many cases, not all, which in many cases will screen resumes and cover letters, screen job applications before a human recruiter or hiring manager will see the cover letter or the resume. One of the main criteria that these automated applicant tracking systems use is how well the resume and the cover letter match the original job description, meaning how many words and phrases you can find in both the job description and also the resume or the cover letter. This is why it is important to match all of that information as closely as possible word for word. It is extremely important for job applications to know what ATS are and how they work, so you know how and why you can match the keywords and phrases from the job description in your resume. And it is also important to know that there are tools out there that can help you with this. I'm going to show you one of them now. I promise you this is not a paid post, this is not a sponsored post, and I'm not using a referral link here. I want you to know that my favorite tool for preparing a resume that matches a job description is Jobscan.io. Jobscan.io is a tool that will take your resume as you've written it, also take the job description as the employer has written it, and then compare the two and then offer advice on how you might revise the resume in order to make that resume a better match for that job description. You can see here in the screen capture how it provides detailed feedback. I recommend Jobscan.io. There's a free tier that can get you started, and for many candidates, the free tier may be sufficient. At least give it a look. Let me know if you have questions and also leave comments on other tools that are your favorite. To wrap up, I have one more piece of advice. Once again, here we have those terms and phrases that appeared in several actual data science job descriptions. Many of these terms and phrases could be copied right into many data science candidate resumes. Here's an example of how you might actually be able to accomplish that. You can first include your statement of accomplishment, as I've shown here, and then in parentheses, add the words and phrases that match or correspond to your statement of accomplishment, but take those words and phrases from the job description directly. This maps your key accomplishments to the phrases and words and the terms that the employer is using in their job description. When you do this, you're making it easier for recruiters, hiring managers, and the automated applicant tracking systems to review your resume and understand exactly how you are a fit for that job. The last thing I want to show you is the actual template that I use and recommend my clients use when writing data science resumes. Watch for subsequent videos for a closer look at this template. I hope you had some fun, I hope you learned something, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.